Hello, cookbook friend. My name is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and today I thought I should wear yellow to look through the Sicily Cookbook by Cettina Vincenzino. I'm very excited to check it out. Authentic recipes from a Mediterranean island. Came out in 2020, and I love Mediterranean cookbooks, as you probably figured out if you've been watching our channel for a while. Here's our author. It's by DK Books, is the publisher. Woo! Look at everything going on in the table of contents. Chapter 1, Primi. Chapter 2, Secondi. Piatto Unico. And then Intermezzi, Dolci, and Bevande. Bevande is always my favorite. Beautiful pictures of Sicily. I've never been there. I miss traveling. Introduction. Info about her life on Sicily, etc. Going. Beautiful photos. La la la. Okay, first chapter. Primi. Melanzana. Eggplants. Lots of info about eggplants. I didn't realize this would be so educational. Now the first, pasta alla norma. We're going to learn a lot about that. And the first recipe of the book is pasta with tomato, eggplants, and ricotta salata. Pasta alla norma e ricotta salata. Ooh, pasta towers with meat sauce and eggplants. Beautiful. I'm loving the food photography. Gorgeous. Pasta with sardines, rich and poor. I'm going to skip ahead a little. Pasta carriage style. Oh, cute little carriage wheels. Pasta alla carrettiers. Pasta with spring vegetables, sun-dried tomatoes, and ricotta, otherwise known as pasta u pitaggio. I'm skipping ahead. Elvira's mama's homemade raw tomato passata. Oh, yeah. Pasta with tender squash leaves. Black pasta with squid, something I can't eat as a vegetarian. Pasta with trapani pesto. So far I'm loving this cookbook. Ooh, look at all the different pastas. Fun. Secondi. Okay, Il Mare. She's writing about the sea. Introducing us to someone. I don't know who. There's a mosquito in my office. Excuse me. Fried anchovies with mint. Stuffed sardines on a skewer. Tuna in pistachio. Beautiful picture of Sicily. You're torturing me. Salt cod with olives, capers, and pears. Sweet and sour rabbit. That's not a recipe I've seen in a cookbook before. That's interesting. Tripe with black chickpeas. Sweet meatballs with almonds and cinnamon. Wow. Now we're in the next chapter. Piatto Unico. Not sure what that is. Cabonata with eggs and St. Bernardo sauce. Meat and vegetable pie with pasta and custard filling. There's a lot of pasta in this book. I love it. Anchovy and potato tart. Wow, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, learning about the people of Sicily. Stuffed baked artichokes with St. Bernardo sauce. I've never heard of St. Bernardo sauce. I'm going to have to go back and look in this book and see what's going on. Ricotta dumplings and an orange and tomato sauce. Beautiful. What's this? Mafaldine with lamb and minted sweet and sour squash? I don't know what that is. Here's white Sicilian focaccia. I'm all about the bread and pasta. Ooh, gorgeous. Grilled octopus with ricotta, hummus, penne, and lemon couscous. That looks like something you would see on the plate at a super fancy restaurant. Wow. Arancini with tuna and eggplant. A Sicilian brioche burgers. I'm going to keep going because I can't show you the whole book. Fava beans with tomatoes and fried egg. That sounds like good, simple peasant food, which I like eating. Double Jerusalem artichoke with black lentils and crispy chicken feet. Ooh. I don't want to look at that picture. Ah! Sorry, vegetarian. Intermezzi. What is that? Fried fava beans. Okay, I tried frying chickpeas the other day. It did not go well. I need to read more recipes and watch more videos on how to do it because that was a hot mess. It didn't taste bad. It just didn't taste good. So I wasted a can of chickpeas and some oil. So here is a recipe for Sicilian sesame rolls with mortadella. Zucchini flowers stuffed with Italian sausages and mozzarella with a pistachio coating, or pistachio. Raw zucchini salad by Salvatore Romano. Beautiful. Catanian tomato salad by Salvatore. This must be the salad chapter. Ooh, cheese. Unless you're vegan, I bet you love cheese, just like I do. Prickly pear skins coated in breadcrumbs. I didn't know Sicily had prickly pears. I grew up with prickly pears in San Diego. We did not eat them very often, but our Mexican neighbors did. Like, often. Potato salad with capers, tuna, and olive crumble. I do like prickly pear margaritas. Ooh, dolce, the dessert chapter. Here it comes. Almond blancmange. Too bland for me. How about, oops, pistachio pastry. How about a Sicilian cassate tort? Cassata tort? That's pretty. I don't know what that is. Strawberry granita, nice for summer or spring. Cannoli with artichoke cream. What? Whoa. And bevande beverages. Not just wine, but fun stuff, maybe? I don't know what this is. Almond milk with a hint of green lemon. And a Sicilian aperitif, prickly pear and pomegranate cocktail. Yum. Okay. And that's it. Wow. I love it. Sicily the Cookbook. That was awesome. I would totally own this, but it's a library book and I have to take it back. The author is Cettina Vincenzino. The publisher is DK Books. Thanks so much for watching this cookbook look through and review. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to click like and comment something nice if you did, so the social media algorithms will show you more of our posts. You can stop by our website, cookbookdivas.com. We have a blog with cookbook news. We post to Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, and we have a podcast for those of you that like to listen to news about cookbooks. Thanks for watching.